Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope everyone's keeping well. I know it's been a long while since I've last uploaded a video. I have been really busy recently, but I'm back today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a custom made Sunstrip onto my FN2 Civic Type R. Now the Sunstrip in question has got Racing Geeks up here in a Japanese kind of style font. It will be quite cool to see how it looks on the car. This was also my first time installing a Sunstrip, so it was quite cool to learn kind of how to install it myself. So what you will need for this job is you'll need some masking tape, a Stanley blade, some soapy water, microfiber cloths, and a measuring tape, as well as a squidgy or some sort of card so that you can remove any air bubbles. Some people do use heat guns and hair dryers to kind of help apply the Sunstrip onto the windscreen, but I never had one to hand, so I never used one. And yeah, it shouldn't take you too long, about 15 to 20 minutes, and ideally you want to do it on a dry day as well, so it's not raining. The main thing is preparation. So preparation is key, making sure that the windscreen is as clean as possible and removing all impurities from the windscreen, making sure it's in pristine condition, or as pristine as you can get it, and removing all the impurities and grime off the windscreen. Ideally you want to clay bar it first, obviously, but I didn't have one to hand, so I never clay barred the window. But soapy water is fine in a sort of spray bottle, and just make sure that you clean it properly as thoroughly as possible. Just make sure you've applied enough soapy water to the windscreen when you are placing the Sunstrip onto the windscreen, as you want to have a bit of flexibility when you're moving it, and obviously masking both sides on as well so it's in place. But yeah, I'll kind of cut to the next shot and show you guys how I did it.